Are you planning for retirement and wondering how to make the most of your living situation? In this video, I'm here to guide you through right sizing for retirement, helping you understand why it might be the perfect strategy for your golden years. Stay tuned to learn everything you need to know about this essential part of retirement planning, from the difference between downsizing and right sizing to how to choose the best home for your needs. Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is Bambi Elstrom, your trusted advisor in the world of retirement real estate. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone nearing retirement: right sizing for retirement. Think of this as your comprehensive retirement real estate guide, where we'll break down the key aspects of finding the perfect home for this exciting new chapter. Let's start with the basics. What is right sizing for retirement? Right sizing involves more than just moving to a smaller home. It's about finding a home that fits your retirement lifestyle, health needs, and personal preferences. Unlike downsizing, which typically focuses on reducing home size and costs, right sizing for retirement is about matching your home to your new life goals and needs. Navigating the process of right sizing for retirement can seem daunting, but breaking it down into manageable steps can make it easier. Here's how I'd approach it based on my experiences and conversations with clients. First, define your retirement lifestyle. Think about how you want to spend your golden years. Whether you're dreaming of a lush garden, frequent travel, or simply more leisure time, your new home should align with those dreams. Start by asking yourself, do you prefer a home that requires minimal upkeep, or is having a large backyard for gardening a must? Will you need extra rooms for family visits, or would you rather have a space with fewer but more flexible rooms? Are there any features you need for accessibility now or in the future? Evaluate changing health needs. Health plays a significant role in choosing the right home for retirement. Consider if your current home suitability and reflect on, will you need to make changes to your existing home to meet your needs, or is a new home a better fit? How will moving impact your emotional and mental well-being? Is staying in a familiar place important to you? What level of daily support will you need, and how will that affect your living situation? Consider the location of your new home and how it will affect your access to health care, transportation, and community services. It's essential to focus on areas that offer both convenience and support. Ask yourself, how close will you be to healthcare facilities and essential services? Do you want to stay near family and friends, or are you excited about exploring a new area? How accessible are transportation options and community amenities in the area? Analyze the financial implications and understand aspects of right sizing. This is crucial and includes potential savings on taxes and maintenance, as well as any new costs related to moving or renovations. Think about what the costs and potential savings might be of right sizing. How much equity could you free up by selling your current home, and how will that impact your retirement funds? Are there additional costs or savings to consider with your new home? Seek professional advice. Finally, getting advice from experts can ensure you make the best decision for your retirement. Financial advisors, real estate agents, and healthcare professionals can offer valuable insights. Consider, who can help with financial planning for retirement? What are your options for accessible living or assisted living if needed? How can a real estate professional assist in finding the ideal home for retirement? Navigating this process can be a journey, but keeping these key points in mind will help you find a home that perfectly matches your retirement lifestyle. And there you have it, your complete guide to right sizing for retirement. Whether you're looking for a smaller home, a new location, or just a space that fits your retirement goals, right sizing can make your retirement both comfortable and enjoyable. If you're ready to start planning your right-sized home or have any questions about real estate retirement guides, feel free to reach out. I'd be delighted to help you navigate this exciting transition. Bonus tip. When right-sizing for retirement, consider long-term potential of your new home. Look for properties with universal design features that cater to various needs as you age, such as single-level living and wide doorways. Also, evaluate the community's amenities, like fitness centers or social clubs, which can enhance your quality of life. It's wise to choose a location that supports your interests and hobbies, making retirement enjoyable, fulfilling. Do you dream of stepping out on your private dock and fishing? A golf course and club to enjoy? Or maybe a place to go dancing nearby? Don't forget about the beach. There's nothing as relaxing as a walk on the beach. Planning for the future now ensures you'll have a home that grows with you, making this transition smooth and beneficial for years to come. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. For more insights on retirement living and real estate, be sure to check out my other videos by clicking on the box on the screen. And remember, if you're considering selling your current home or finding a new one, I offer a free home evaluation to help you get started on your journey. Give me a call. This is Bambi McGraw-Elstrom with eXp Realty and Charleston Coastal Living.